Neymar will join Real Madrid and PSG already have a replacement ready, Shock report. Real Madrid will sign Neymar next summer and Paris Saint-Germain already have his replacement lined up, according to Shock reports. Published, 4:55, Thursday, December 21, 2017, updated, 5 o'clock, Thursday, December 21, 2017. Ever since Neymar left Barcelona for a world record fee in the summer, there have been constant rumors about his unhappiness in the French capital. The Brazilian was moved to tears in a press conference while on international duty last month to deny the reports. But that hasn't stopped suggestions that Real could make a stunning swoop at the end of the season. Florentino Perez added fuel to the fire over a potential move when Cristiano Ronaldo picked up his 5th Ballon d'Or earlier this month by stating Neymar would have a better chance at winning the award if he were to join Real. And, according to Corriere della Sera, the Bernabeu outfit could be set to land their man. They refer to a meeting held between Paulo Dybala's agent, his brother Mariano Dybala, and PSG about a potential move to Ligue 1. And immediately after the meeting, Mariano supposedly told his younger sibling that he will be joining PSG as Neymar's replacement because the latter will be heading to Real. But Juventus are said to be furious with Mariano Dybala after they only found out about the meeting when his girlfriend posted pictures from Paris on Instagram. Paulo Dybala has been in scintillating form for the Serie A club this season, scoring 12 goals in 17 league games. However, Juventus have failed to agree personal terms on a contract extension, sparking speculation he could be actively looking for a move away from Turin.